What's the first thing you do when you wake up? For me, I like to stretch.
And the next thing I do is to head to the bathroom to freshen up. And this bathroom gives me all of the calmness I need to do that. I mean, keep the skin good now. And then starting your day with something to wake you up, like a cup of coffee and something light. And when I'm in this living room, I feel like I don't need to have all the money in the world because this BQ gives me everything I need. It's my place, my space, suited to make me comfortable, productive, and affording me luxury at the same time. But that's not the fun part. This BQ is a part of the main 3-bedroom terrace. Just imagine having this awesome BQ alongside the 3-bedroom terrace and how beautiful the 3-bedroom terrace is. It's the definition of a home so good you will never want to leave. But then again, it's landway and that is what we do.